Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using a familiar device and network. This increases Google's chance to verify you. Enter the email address and follow prompts. Choose Try another way if password fails. When asked, provide the recovery email or phone. Google sends a code. If prompted for last password, give your best guess. Once done, check the recovery inbox or SMS immediately because codes expire fast. Make sure to keep the device nearby to accept prompts or confirm locations. Now you verify identity with the code or a two-step prompt. If you receive a code, enter it exactly. If a prompt appears on your linked device, approve it. This is faster and more reliable. When asked about security questions or prior passwords, be honest and give approximate answers if needed, because Google accepts near matches. If you no longer have access to recovery options, choose I don't have access and be ready to provide account creation month, contacts, or labels to strengthen your claim. Once verified, create a strong, unique password and sign in. Make sure to save it in a password manager. Immediately update your recovery phone and email and enable two-step verification so you won't repeat this. If Google's automated checks deny access, use the account recovery form and provide detailed answers. Account creation date, labels, or frequently emailed contacts. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery keeps failing, wait 24-72 hours and retry from the same device and network to improve success rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.